Yo, you guys. So today we're gonna have a look at this rice cooker. Uh, I can't really fit it on here the whole way, but I'm still gonna try and show that. And we are not gonna be cooking rice in the video. It's gonna take too long, but we'll have a look at how it's made and how it is, the first impression and all. And I would say that should be enough anyway, because the cooking process is not that exciting after all. The fun part is that the brand is McCook. The first time I was reading it, I did it wrong in my head, and I did read McCook, which I thought was kind of funny. But yeah, maybe that's just me. Whatever. So here's our rice cooker. There's also our, I don't know, do you call this spoon? Maybe. For it, got a pretty big cooker and a lot of wrapping and stuff. It's made of solid material, that's for sure. And yeah, first impression, pretty good. Let's open this up and check that out. In the inside, your typical inlay looks pretty decent, and I don't know, I just want to keep it short to be honest, because after all it's just a rice cooker, and I think it looks good, and I tried it at this point already anyway, and it performed well. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. I'm Badger, and I'm out.